welcome to new video. In this video we change oils to my Volvo V70 D4, so it's 5-cylinder diesel engine, 2.4 liter, the best Volvo engine. And this is why we put the paper there. Where does this go? It's here. Here. There is the old O-ring, and then we put the new one here. You just push it here like this. And like that, the new filter is ready to put back. And then it doesn't need to be so freaking tight as it was. So where is the oil plug? Don't say that it's here. Great. The oil plug is here. So I need to remove this. Maybe I should put one here back on so it doesn't fall on me. And I didn't need the extension. I thought I would need, but I don't. Yeah. And next part is hot oil. The bolt is hot. Well, I just drove it 30 minutes to get here. Yeah. Great. My lamp is oil. And while the oil comes out, we change the washer to the plug. So yeah, here is the old one. And where did I put the new one? So that's ready. And while we wait that the oil comes out, we change the filter, air filter here. Is this the same? Yes. Here we have nicely done by previous owners. There is the LED bar on front and the wires are just zip tied here. How does it look? Yeah, not so good. What does it look like in here? Maybe it needs some cleanup. No, well, it's not much. Yeah. Here we have a Vicks filter. Much better than the old one. Yeah. Not so different. And it's just easy like this. Just put that there and close the lid. Yeah. And screw it back. I don't know if this is needed, but I like to always screw the screws in cross plane from each other. So I did first this, then I did this, now I go here. Then here is one, like this. Does it even take on the thread? It feels like it does nothing. Well, I guess it did. Like so. that's done. And where was the cabin filter? One thing I noticed, the battery should have a lid. If I remember correctly from my last V70, it had a lid, but this doesn't. Just go on the thread. Thank you. I'm not always this polite. Somebody would say that I'm never this polite. Where are the... I can't see anything. I'm blind. And the oil we use is Volvo 0W30 and it needs 5.8 liters. And like that. That's done. And now we put this here and this here, and then we need to take those to recycle. Yeah, the filter is out. What the f***, Joe? There is the old one. And here we have the new one. This is a allergic style. Because I have asthma. So it needs to go like this way. Maybe. So there it was. Do I get a nice angle for you? Somewhere there. Yeah, so the cabin filter is also now changed. I got it. It was a half an hour work for the thing that should be only half minutes. But yeah, some idiot put it there behind everything, and yeah, it was a bit of process to get that there, but it's now done. I just did the reset of the maintenance light, and yeah, the second battery is almost out. So this video was this, and see you next time. Please subscribe and yada yada yada, you know what to do or not to do. Yeah, see you in the next video.